Welcome to our new video of Ayia Napa Harbour, Cyprus. Ayia Napa Harbour is a must-visit part of the town and offers something to see and do both in the daytime and night. It has spectacular views out towards Cape Greco and over the Mediterranean Sea. There is a huge choice of boat trips from the harbour with something to suit all ages and budgets. There are short 1 to 2 hour trips and longer, full-day cruises. There are glass-bottom boats, submarines, pirate ships, safari boats and more traditional cruisers for a lazy day voyage along the coast. Booze cruise and party boats also go from here. For the ultimate in romance, there is a wedding bower right on the ocean front, which is licensed for wedding ceremonies and provides beautiful wedding photos. Ayia Napa Harbour is a culinary paradise, offering a diverse range of dining options that cater to all tastes. From traditional Cypriot tavernas serving freshly caught seafood to international restaurants offering gourmet cuisine. There is a plethora of choices to satisfy any palate. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icons so you can watch our every new upcoming video first.